I think the concept of normal is really, really interesting, because I think what it is about who's in, who's out. But the idea that motherhood is normal, I think, is something that the 20 to 25% of women are, we challenge that. But to find your way as an individual through this process, to realise that normal is a mental construct, that it's not a kind of observable, objective reality. I think there is, obviously there is discomfort around powerful women in general in our societies, certainly in Anglo-Saxon societies. If that woman is also childless, there is a suspicion around her that she is perhaps cold, perhaps selfish, ruthless, that there's something about her that is not fully woman. It was an extraordinary moment because we had two unelected, members of the Conservative Party who were going forward for the leadership job, which, because they're in power, would mean Prime Minister. Theresa May, someone who'd had a lot of experience as being Home Secretary. Andrea Leadsom, much less experience at a ministerial level. She felt that as she was a parent, she had a tangible stake in the future, and that somehow this qualified her to, to make decisions in a different way. Julia Gillard, who was the Prime Minister of Australia, received the most blistering comments from Tony Abbott, who was then leader of the opposition, who called her deliberately barren, and really said she couldn't be in charge of making policies that affected families because she wasn't a parent. In the UK and globally, childless women do not exist in novels, in films, as themselves, i.e. as women. They represent something. They nearly always represent bad women. If you look at fairy tales, if you look at Snow White, if you look at Disney films, if you look at Cruella de Vil in 101 Dalmatians, bad women, evil women, psychotic women, they're always childless. So we represent the deviant woman. We don't represent us.